Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options. Then we need to select Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon, then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space / fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows / system32 / config / regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcdedit space / export space c colon / bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type attrib c colon / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c colon / boot / bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.